Hello friends, welcome to my next vlog on floating chalets in Khor Jarama. Khor Jarama, this is located between Sur and Ras Al Had, which is 3 hours drive from Muscat city. It is a fisherman village which is having a backwater area which is like a huge lake filled with the sea water. It's a good business to have chalets and yachts where you can spend the whole day and enjoy your stay there. Exact location where you have to reach and the contact numbers of couple of chalet owners given below in the description. Please take a look and make use of it if you are interested to go there. Normally the weekdays they are charging you less, but weekends it will be almost double. You have all varieties of rooms. Once you reach there, they will take you through a boat, which may take hardly 5 to 10 minutes to the respective chalet you booked it. We have taken the largest chalet available, which is having 4 bedroom, 3 toilets, a kitchen and a terrace area where you can sit and relax using a It is a good place to spend a time with your friends or family friends. Chalet has got all amenities like barbecuing arrangement, a utility water tank to supply water, even air conditioner, diesel generators to supply the power, They will teach you how to switch on and switch off the diesel generator. They have the life jackets. You occupy your chalet, you can go for swim, you can go for fish, you can swim and reach the nearby hidden beach, you can make your own food, you can chit chat, enjoy the nice surrounding. I would strongly recommend for every family and group of friends in Muscat to spend a day or night in the chalet in coming days when the climate is very cold. Enjoy your stay. Have a nice life.